Hello friends, I am Pratik Malhotra and in this video we are going to talk about how to get the WhatsApp API. As we know from the previous videos, in order to get a WhatsApp chatbot for your business, you need a WhatsApp API. The first thing you need is a WhatsApp API and then a BotBaba subscription. So let's check out the steps to get the WhatsApp API. So there are only two main steps here, the two higher level steps. Those are the first step is the Facebook Business Manager verification, and the second step is WhatsApp API account creation. Let's see what is Facebook Business Manager verification. So there are some points here. Facebook Business Manager verification is not the same as Facebook Blue Tick. Many people get confused that it is very difficult to get a blue tick. How will we get a verification done? But don't worry, manager verification can be done by any registered business. There are no charges for it. It is totally free of cost. It is like a KYC verification. In India, this thing happens where when we go to a bank to open a bank account, the bank asks for documents for the registered legal entity. The process is very similar to that. Next is you need to have a website that is complete. Yes, please keep this point in mind while you submit the Facebook Business Manager verification application. Incomplete websites get rejected. Under construction websites get rejected. Websites that don't open get rejected. So if someone tries to open your domain abc.com and it doesn't load, then also your verification will get rejected. And the time it takes is between 2 days to 20 days. Yes, Facebook Business Manager verification can take from 2 days to 20 days to get verified. There may be a rejection, then you have to resubmit some documents again, correct what you did wrong, and wait for the reply. Best case scenario is 2 days for this duration, for this process, sorry. Let's see the documents required for Facebook Business Verification for India. So for if you are a proprietorship firm, okay, let me make this clear. The Facebook website says some other documents, but these documents which I have mentioned here are from our experience at what documents work best for what type of legal entities. So yeah, this comes from our experience of applying for proprietorship firms. So you basically need two types of documents. One which verifies your name, the business name, and second which verifies your business address. So for name, proprietorship firms can use the business bank statement. The first page of the bank statement should be enough. Make sure that the bank statement is not password protected. Many times people make this mistake that the bank statement is password protected and then it gets rejected and we wonder everything was in order, why did it get rejected? Second is an address proof. So shop establishment certificate should be fine for this purpose. Just make sure that the certificate is in either English or Hindi language. So these two documents are what it takes. You can also use GST certificate, but they often get rejected. The reject ratio for GST certificates is fairly high right now for some reasons. I know the reasons, but not the right point to share that. Okay, so moving on to partnership firms. Partnership firm, here are the documents required for the verification of partnership firms on Facebook. Just keep in mind that same document cannot be used for both verification of name and address. For name, for partnership firm, you can either submit a PAN card, business bank statement, or GST certificate. And for address, you can submit same bank statement, GST certificate, stop establishment certificate, and a utility bill. Utility bill will include electricity bill that is on the name of the business, or telephone bill, or water bill, or property tax maybe if it is coming on your business's name. So these are the documents requirement for partnership firm. Next we have is a private limited company. So again, same point, guys. Same document cannot be used for both name and address. Please keep in mind, do not submit the same document for both name and address. For name, certificate of incorporation should be fine. It works best. If you don't have that handy, PAN card should be fine. And also keep in mind that recently the newer PAN cards which come in PDF form are password protected by IT department, by the income tax department by default. So make sure that you remove the PAN card, sorry, you remove the password from the PAN card PDF and then you submit it. Same goes for the bank statement as I mentioned previously, then GST and shop establishment. So you have a good number of options if you are a private limited company. Any of these documents will get you through. And it is noticed that the highest approval ratio is of private limited companies. So for some reason, Facebook is loving the private limited companies and giving approvals pretty fast for that. Next is LLP, limited liability partnership. So same documents for private limited and for LLP. All the same documents can be used for both. And third is public limited company. So same document for this one as well. So private limited, LLP and public limited, you can upload the same kind of documents. Just keep in mind that same document cannot be used for both name and address. Okay. Moving on to the second high level step, which was WhatsApp API account creation. So once your Facebook Business Manager is verified, you can apply for WhatsApp API from within BotBaba. That is, log into BotBaba and open this link. I'm dropping this link in the video description so you can take a look at it. And once you apply, once you click on that link and you submit the WhatsApp application, someone from our team will contact you to make sure your prerequisites are in order and they will take it ahead. This step only takes about 15 minutes. So once you schedule a time with the representative of BotBaba, they will probably schedule an AnyDesk session or a Zoom call. A screen sharing session is needed, and it will only take 15 minutes. For Facebook Business Manager verification, I am dropping the knowledge base article for the same in the video description, so which will guide you through the complete process. And that article has a video as well, so that if you get stuck, you can take a look at it. So, all right, guys, that's all in this video. Like this video and subscribe to our channel if this video was helpful to you. Thanks for watching.